Hey guys! Today I'm going to show you 3 natural hairstyles that take 5 minutes or less for those bad curly hair days. But before we get into it, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my tips and tricks for natural hair. Style number 1 is just going to be a easy side poof. This literally in the morning takes me like 2 minutes. And that's like extending it long. Alright, so all you'll need for this one is a hair tie. And you're gonna push your hair forward. And you're gonna grab it like this on the top. And then you're gonna fold it in half, like this, with some little pokey sticking out. Okay, I'm gonna hold it like that, and I just put mine once. You can wrap as many times as you want. I do mine once, and then we fluff, 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 fluff. Do, do. All right, guys. And if you want, you can do baby hairs. I'll do little baby hairs. I got my conditioner here. And my nasty toothbrush. Okay. And that's the first style. Let's move on. Okay, for the second style, we are going to do a little side poof. I do this when I'm at home, just to get my hair off my neck. What you do is throw your head forward violently like I do. And I put mine up closer towards the front of my hairline, so up here. Okay. And then wrap it around once or twice. There's my one time. You can wrap it with a scarf if you want, you know how it goes. I don't usually do this. Okay, I don't normally do that, but you get the picture. Side. And let's move on. Alright guys, for the third and final, my favorite one, you're gonna need a hair tie, some bobby pins, and edge control or whatever you use for your edges. Alright. So it's going to start like the first one that we did. Like this, set 4. See in the front here how I'm holding up this hair right in front of my face, right here? We're going to let that go. So let that free. I'm just pinching the back of my hair. This is free. Pinching the back. Now, I'm going to pull this up. Grab our hair, try to make a bun type form if you can. Doesn't have to be perfect, so a bun type form. Okay, wrap it around. Okay, so now we're gonna fluff the bun. We got this piece. That's when our bobby pins come handy. Okay. So I just grab pieces and fold them over and up. So there's a piece right here. I'm pushing it up and I'm putting the bobby pin. And I'll show you again.
Smart sound.
Now, for the front of the bangs, I like put this pin down in front of the bun so it looks like there's a bun and that these are my bangs for real. This also looks cute if your hair is cooperating and you get all the cute curlies, but I don't mind frizz and I like it. Okay, and this is number 3. This takes me about 5 minutes to finish. It's easy.
Smart sound.
Alright guys, that was my 3 natural hairstyles for those bad curly hair days. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite hairstyles for bad hair days are. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my natural hair tips and tricks. Thanks for watching guys, and we'll see you in the next one.
Smart.
I know I've got that sway that makes the boys all...
Yeah, we got it. We got it. Oh yeah.